final thing that I'll talk about is a new application that's come up for Celeritas XS, which is F10 and EELS. So we've worked closely with CEOS in the past. So they developed their own energy filter called the CEFID, which is very stable. So your zero loss peak stays really, really, really nice and centered for a very, very long time. These are the guys who designed the correctors on the Titan for your probe corrector and your image corrector on the Titan and the Spectra. And so they really know a lot about lens design, and they've designed their own energy filter. And so we have installations in Liverpool in the United Kingdom and installations in Strasbourg in France. And we actually just got our first results from Liverpool this week. So they did strontium titanate EELS. So here's what the spectrum looks like. Typically, actually, you control it from the CEOS software, but here they use the mission control. And so, as you'd expect, they can map the zero loss peak, they can map the plasmon peaks, and they can look at core loss peaks. But what was really cool was they went for the L3 edge, which you always see on anyone who does EELS, you always see this noted as an edge, which is theoretically exists, but I think most people have never been able to see it because it's at a very high energy loss and is very, very noisy. But with Celeritas, because it's so sensitive, they were able to see it. And because it's hooked up to FreeScan, they were able to take an atomic resolution core loss EELS map with this edge. And so it's invisible on most detectors. So that was really cool to see. And that actually just came in at the start of this week. So it was really excited to see and really excited to see what customers are going to do with Celeritas in the future.